Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate Best Buy into WP Content Machine so that we can get products from Best Buy as posts and then integrate it with our affiliate ID. So before you get this done on the WP Content Machine, you have to sign up on the Best Buy developer platform. Just go to developer.bestbuy.com/affiliate-program, and then when you get to this page, you click on get API key to join, fill the form, pass through the verification process, and then get your API keys. So when you get your API keys, I'm going to show you how to integrate it into your website. So just go to WP Content Machine. Let's start with configuration before we create a campaign. So we're going to stop the configuration. I already have my affiliate information from Best Buy. So this is the configuration page. You see different configurations. We have eBay, we have Amazon, YouTube, Instagram. So let's just go to Best Buy. Click on Best Buy. So you're going to add your API key. I already have my API key for demo purposes. Then your publisher ID, just enter your publisher ID and then click on submit. So we have then configured our Best Buy. So we now have to create a campaign that will crawl Best Buy looking for products for a specific category. So go to campaigns and click on create new campaign. So we can call this campaign any name, but I'm going to call it maybe campaign 5. Just call it any name. Let's call it campaign 5. Campaign 5. Just like every campaign you create with WP Content Machine, you go through a 3-step process. The first step, you select the type of campaign you're creating, and in this case it's Best Buy, and then you import your keywords, or you can search for keywords, so you can enter them manually. So let's search for still camera, iPhone, and Samsung Galaxy S7. So we have 3 products I'm focused on. So depending on your blog, depending on your niche, you can actually enter as many products as you want to crawl in this particular campaign. You can have more than one campaign. So you just move on to step 2. In step 2, you can set the maximum number of products you want to import from Best Buy. So when you get to that particular number, this campaign will be stopped. So let's just make it maybe 300. You can enter any number you want. Then the title, you can call it, maybe you can add recommended before or after. So recommended. You can write anything before the original title. You can decide to remove the original title completely. And then you can also arrange it. The different things you can arrange. Look at the description here. This is the large image. Do you want the image to appear for the description? You can just cut it and paste it after the description. That means there will be a description before the image. Just undo and make the image to appear before the description. Then the price and the button. This is the button, buy now, view more button, and then so it depends on what you want. And do you want it to be a post or a page or a custom post type? So select. Let's make it a post, and then if it's a post, what categories do you want to put it into? We have different categories on our blog for now. So depending on the category you have on your own blog and where you want this products from Best Buy to be posted under, you can just select. Let's use products, and then we proceed to step 3, which is like the same for all campaign types. So you select the post author. You select whether you want it to be published or you want it to be saved as draft, so that you can manually review the post before it is published. You can also use campaign affiliate links to hyperlink a particular keyword or a group of keywords. You can add as many as you want, and you can also reduce the number of words to maybe 10 words. Then any other thing will come with more attached with it. And then you can use specific tags, you can custom post, you can also rewrite the content. You can rewrite the content can decide to rewrite just the content or both the content and the title. So let us keep it for the sake of search engine optimization. Whenever you're using a system like this, it's always advisable to rewrite the article, spin it, rewrite the article so that you don't have the same article with another person and you get penalized. You know, this software was already developed by marketers for marketers, so we know how to make sure you get the best out of it, especially your search engine optimization. That's why we added this part of software so that you can have your articles rewritten for you. So you can decide to remove original hyperlinks from the image, set the first picture as featured image. You want to strip it and remove it after being set as featured image. And if you have a particular standard for all the images used on your blog, maybe your blog post cover or your blog featured image has a minimum width, just set it so that any image that is less than that minimum width will be ignored and the next available image will be used as featured image. But if you don't have that, you want to use any first image, you off it. You can also set random featured image. If there is no image in the content, you can now add your default image, the link to the default image that you want to use, just in case there is no image in the content. Don't save the image to my server. Okay, you can set that on or off. Then you can also decide to download images to my server and then try to generate names for my images from the title of the post. It's also good for search engine optimization. You can decide to also link permalinks that relate to the source, so it shows that when you click on any of the images, it takes you directly to Best Buy. Then you can also skip posts with similar title to avoid duplicate content. So let's go to the time interval. This is the last thing. You can decide to publish it once every 7 hours. So once every 7 hours, one product from Best Buy should be imported. And then click on publish. To start campaign, start the campaign right away. So the campaign has started. So let's go to the front end and check the page. Discover that we have a new product. If you open it and click on, the network is slow, that's why the image is not showing. If you click on view more, it takes you directly to Best Buy.